Good morning everybody, how you all doing? Welcome back to Project Wreck. So day 3 of shed week, and as you might be able to see over my shoulder, the shed is here in its right place. I didn't actually film yesterday because it was a bit of a frustrating day all day, but in the end we asked some friends for some help, we had four people sort of turned up, and between the 4 of us we managed to get everything down here, not without some effort, I hasten to add, because it is all quite hard work. But today it's about moving the pieces into the right places and starting construction. But what I did do yesterday in between, because the weather was quite good yesterday, is while we were waiting for for Amazon to deliver the last bottle of wood preservative, is Project Bridge has now got a path that leads all the way down. It's sort of laid out with some logs I had left over. I've uncovered some more stone slabs, and I've got an idea of what I'm going to do down here. But in the meantime, let's get on with plans for today. I think it's about arranging the various parts where they need to be. So this is the front, that needs to come up, and I'll lean it against this tree. The back needs to go back that way. Get the floorboards into place and nail those together. And if I can do that, I think that'll be a pretty good going. What do you reckon, Wiles? Do you reckon we've got a chance here? Good answer, buddy. Good answer. So that was short and sweet. So what Vix and I've done is we've got the floor down, nailed together, fixed and in position. But because this is the British summer 2023, there is a thunderstorm rolling in, and it's expected to hit us in about an hour to an hour and a half. And this building is not going to be strong enough until we've got all 4 walls up and complete. So discretion is the better part of valor. We've decided to stop here, even though the sun is out now. It's a lovely day. It's so frustrating. Everything is frustrating at the minute, but yeah, so we flattened this down so it doesn't blow over. These I think will be all right, and we're going to come back at it tomorrow morning. We're going to get up early. It looks like it should be good till about 2 or 3 in the afternoon, and I would like to think that we would have all 4 walls and that mighty great truss in the middle up by then. So that's it from 3rd day of shed week. Still really no progress.